Here's some more. Just for you, Bryan.
A reaper.
Your passion, man. Your passion.
All right, good luck, Bryan. Praying for you today so I can make a spectacular video for you. All right, aloha. Thanks for joining Island Eyes on Hawaii. Whoa. You okay? All right.
Teamwork. Stacy's helping there. What a great mother.
Whoa, baby, that's hot. All right, I hope you're enjoying this video, man, because this is a hard-working man here. He's loving his passion, coming out to demo derbies and bringing that trophy home, man. That's what it's all about, man. Your work, man. It's in the genes, the Santini genes. Powerful, powerful. You're seeing it right here, live video. Just the purpose of coming home to be with family, right? Make things happen. Take care of our babies, you know. Give it, Lord, give it to them. Because we cherish you. We cherish you, Lord Jesus. This Hawaiian Bryan is going to capture video today. Yeah, this remarkable Maryland death man. No mercy. Thank you, Lord Jesus. Aloha. Got Reaper. It's Halloween, baby. Yep. All right. Team Shandor.